Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is all about leftovers. In this video, I will show you guys what I eat in a day. I just got back from vacation, and guys, let me just say, I had a lot of leftovers, however, the leftovers was good. So guys, I'm going to show you what I ate for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, beautiful people. The first day I got back, I went to Panera Bread and I got the 2 for 2, which was half a sandwich and a salad. I did eat the sandwich the first day, however, I saved the salad for the next day and I had that for lunch. And I might say it was really, really good. Guys, comment below and let me know if you're someone like me that it takes a couple of days for you to get back into your routine once you come back from vacation. I still try to make healthy choices. I tried to make the best healthy choices that I could as possible. Okay, my chat partners, so now it's breakfast time. I went to an Indian restaurant the night before, and I had some leftover food. And one of the food items I had was some leftover Indian bread. Guys, I must say that bread was really, really good. It had garlic and cilantro on the bread. So what I decided to do was use that bread in my breakfast sandwich. And so I made me and my mom a breakfast sandwich. I also made my husband one as well. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, even though I am eating leftovers, however I did cook. So guys, my breakfast was really, really good. And guys, let me just say, I will be going back to that Indian restaurant and getting me some more bread. Baby, you give me one day I did cook dinner, and for dinner I cooked some rice, Brussels sprouts, and salmon. And what I did was I had some more leftover food from the Indian restaurant. And I had some vegetables that was made in a curry and coconut sauce. So what I did, guys, was for my leftovers for dinner that day, I just had some rice, Brussels sprouts, and salmon, and I added some of that vegetable mix that I got from the Indian restaurant. Guys, oh my goodness, it was so, so good. And the vegetables just added the right taste to my dinner for that night. Guys, whenever you eat out, you can eat healthy. Just try to make wise choices. Baby, you give me ice and fire. Okay, beautiful people, so I've showed you guys what I've eaten in a day with leftovers, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And now it's time for me to show you guys what I had for dessert. My lovely mother made a dessert that was very, very good. It was very refreshing. The dessert she made was a Watergate salad. And the dessert included pistachio pudding, pecan, pineapple, marshmallows, and cherries. Guys, let me just say, it was decadent. I really, really enjoyed it. Okay, my chat partners, we have come to the end of this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed what I eat in a day, eating leftovers once I came back from vacation. Guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.